Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can play cross-platform on Xbox Series S or X on College Football 27. So before you do anything, the first thing you need to make sure is that just go to settings, select game settings, and right here in the crossplay tab, we need to set this option crossplay on. If it is off, then just you have to put this on because if it is off, then you won't be able to play cross-platform. So just keep this option on. Once you're sure about the crossplay, the next thing you need to do is to open EA Connect window. For that, press back key on your controller. You will see EA Connect window, and right here we need to go to Player Search tab, and you can see this is my EA ID. So you should have the EA ID of your cross-platform friend in order to play with him. So first of all, we need to send the friend request. So just in the search bar, we're gonna type the EA ID of the friend we would like to add in the friend list. Then simply search, and you can see we have the drop down for other platforms. So simply open the drop down and you should be able to see the ID of your friend. Once you find him, simply select the option add friend, and the friend request will be sent to your friend. Once he accepts the request, he'll be added in your friends list, and from there you'll able to play with him. So this is the process in order to play cross platform on Xbox Series S or X. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.